just wanna see, I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it, I know you're...
Hey you guys, it's Misha and you're watching Cooking with Dimples. Today's recipe that I'm going to show you guys, it's a slow cooker recipe. I know we all love our slow cooker recipes, so I'm going to show you guys how I make my pork tacos with my lemon marinated onions. I have been making this for like over 10 years. Me and my family love it, and I hope you and your family will as well. So let's get right into it. Okay, so for this recipe, you're gonna need 5 pounds of pork roast. You can get any kind, pork in, pork butt, pork sirloin, but just 5 pounds of pork roast. I'm not gonna use all of this. I'll probably use 2 of these. You're going to need an onion. You're going to need cilantro. You're going to need Rotel original diced tomatoes and green chili. You need the big jar of Herdez Salsa. And you need lemon juice. If you want to use real lemons, you can, but this is 100% juice and it calls for no seasoning at all. So if my roast was a little fatty, if your roast has a lot of skin around it, all you're gonna need to do is trim the skin off first. So then when it's done, all you have to do is shred it and you won't have to worry about all of that at the end. Rotel goes in. Salsa goes in. That's it. We are going to cover this and we are going to cook it for 8 to 10 hours. I always cook mine 10 hours. Okay, you guys, so I forgot to tell you guys, the slow cooker needs to be on low. The pork roast is not a roast that you want to cook on high. So make sure you have it on low. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to slice up my onion. I'm going to thinly slice it. Doesn't take long at all. You can throw this in before work. It'll be ready when you get off. And your house is going to smell so delicious. You're just going to put it in here. My family loves a lot of onions, so I make sure I make enough. This is like a, I would say a medium to large onion. This is a medium onion. But if you don't have a large family, you can make a half of an onion or... I don't have my nails on, so it's so much easier to cut. So I always make this at the beginning when I first put in my roast so it can marinate. It only needs to marinate for 2 hours, but I do it at the beginning so it marinates the whole 10 hours while my roast is cooking. You're going to cover it right over the top. Fill it right over the top. And then you're just going to put the top on, let it marinate in the fridge. So I'm back and the roast has been cooking for about 10 hours now. I started this recipe at 8 a.m. for you guys and it's about 6 p.m. So I really hope you guys love this recipe. It's very tender. I shredded all the fat off earlier, so all you pretty much need to do is take 2 forks and shred it up. If there's any bones in it, make sure you get them out. Take all the bones out, shred it all up, and it comes apart very easily. I love a lot of cilantro, so I took 1 bunch of cilantro. I have it cut up. I'm just gonna dump that in there. I'm gonna get this all mixed together. Oh my God, this smells so good, you guys. I wish you guys could smell it. But yes, I'm gonna get this all mixed together and I'm going to come back to show you how it looks.
All around the world and I've been looking for you, searching. I've been looking. You deserve it cause you're perfect. You deserve it cause you're perfect.
Okay, you guys, so I hope you love this video. I would like to take this time out to thank each and every one of you guys that watch my video. I love you guys. I really appreciate you guys. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Please push the notification button on the side so that way you get my videos as soon as I upload them. You can tell your friends, tell your family. You can share my video anywhere you would like. Please do so. And I will be back in about a week with another video. Have a good night.
You let your body move.